Gold is still continuing to rise in value. Only several days ago the price has retraced slightly back down with this bearish candle, and then after that we can see the price is continuing to rise in value since Friday, when the Friday was making a bullish breakout about 3572.79, and the price yesterday formed a strong bullish candle reaching very close to the next resistance level, which is 3658.36. This is the daily time frame. This is the first time resistance that it will be reached, so we will see will it be respected or the price will continue to rise in value. Yesterday the price has shown a pretty strong bullish candle with a very small wick on the lower side and a little bit larger wick on the upper side, but everything is pointing that this still is bullish run, and pretty a strong one we can see for several days where there is only bullish candles has been formed except this one. Yesterday on the 4-hour time frame we can see the price has experienced in the morning a small resistance level here where the price was trying to move about 3597.17. We can see that this is a resistance level that has prevented the price from rising, but eventually in the morning the price continued and formed a bullish breakout of this area of resistance and continued to rise to the next one, which was 3632.00, where the price has stopped also for 4 hours. On the 1-hour time frame we can see yesterday the price in the morning was trying to move first down, making a bearish breakout below this area of support, but eventually the price formed this bullish candle, which has been shadowing inside the premium analysis with the traders, where the target was here around this area of resistance as a target. We can see the next one in the next hour the price has reached this area of resistance and the target has been reached, which has been successful trade yesterday, which I have shared with the traders inside the premium analysis. After that the price has continued to rise in value without stopping too much at the next resistance level, just return back down, testing as a support 3614.58 on the 1-hour time frame, and the second time the test was done, and then it continued to rise in value to 3632.00 resistance level, which has been broken and then tested for several times. This was an attempt for the price to make a bearish breakout below this area of support, but eventually the next hour it has been invalidated with this bullish candle formed on the chart, continued to rise in value to the next resistance level, which was 3641.84, where the price has formed a bullish breakout. This is bullish breakout targeting the highest price level, but we can see the prices reach at around 3654.49 and then retrace back down. This is potentially the next resistance level, very close to 3658.36, a daily one, which has been not tested still. So this could be also moved slightly down, but we will see how the day will end, and will this be next resistance or it will be this resistance where the price currently is located. So for now, what we can expect for the day? We can see that the price since yesterday is rising in value. This was only accumulation before the next move, so we can see the price is trying to move higher. So as it looks right now, I'm expecting that the price will try to move higher, at least today around this area 3658, and then we will see how the price will behave. This is what I can see on the 1-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame we can see that the price is trying to move higher, and we can see there is only bullish candles formed on the chart except this one, which was an indecision candle, but usually after forming a strong bullish candles and a decision candle, it is signal for the continuation of the previous move, and that means a bullish move. Now we can see on the 4-hour time frame the price is trying to reach 3658.36, a resistance level, then probably making a bullish breakout, but we will see how the price will behave around this area of resistance, especially on the 1-hour time frame, which shows much more clear information where the price is heading. The daily time frame currently shows a strong bullish momentum, only strong bullish candles from the yesterday, and today could be also the same scenario, reaching 3658.36. Then we will see how the price will behave around this area of resistance. Will it bounce strongly, retrace back down, or it will make a bullish breakup about this area of resistance? This is something that we need to watch and see how the price will behave around this area of resistance during the day, especially on the 1-hour time frame and the 4-hour time frame, to see is there any bearish breakouts on the lower time frame like in this or this one, or bullish breakouts like in this one, which will show a potential move during the day. So feel free to check the link below in the description and join other traders for the premium analysis, because you will receive information when the breakout happens and could be also direction for the rest of the day. For the daily time frame, there is no too much what we can say. The first time resistance is being reached. Will it be respected? We don't know, but for now everything looks bullish, where the price could reach higher price levels. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.